Good afternoon, all, and welcome again for the another lecture of semester one BSc Electronics. We were working on number systems, right? And today we have to continue with the same number systems. Um, Basically, I guess we will continue with the number that I have given you in homework. So many of the students have sent their homework on the WhatsApp group itself. तो थोड़ी बहुत डिफिकल्टीज है अभी भी मुझे ऐसा लगता है तो वो थोड़ा सा हम लोग रेक्टिफाई करेंगे और संकेत ने भेजा है और स्नेहल ने भेजा है मनीष कुमार साहू ने भेजा है वेदर इट इज करेक्ट और नॉट दैट इज नॉट अ इशू द मेन इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट इज यू हैव ट्राइड समथिंग दैट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट राइट अगर हम लोग गलती करते हैं तो हम लोग सीखेंगे भी ठीक है ना वो कहते हैं ना ठोकर लगने पर ही आदमी सीखता है तो ठोकर तब लगेगी जब हम चलेंगे हम लोग चलेंगे ही नहीं तो कैसा होगा तो आपने अगर कुछ किया है मैं उस चीज को बिल्कुल नहीं मानता कि वेदर वो बिल्कुल 100% सही है तो ही हम उसको क्रेडिट देंगे ये मेरे लॉजिक में नहीं पड़ता है मैं हमेशा ये देखता हूँ कि आपने मेहनत की है आपने काम कुछ किया है अगर आप काम कर रहे हो तो इट्स वेरी वेरी गुड राइट सो इन लोगों ने जो जो कुछ भी भेजा है वो हम लोग अभी करके देखते हैं एक बार कि व्हाट वाज दैट सो वी वर वर्किंग ऑन द कन्वर्जन बिटवीन द फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट ऑफ डेसिमल नंबर टू बाइनरी एंड वाइस वर्सा सो बाइनरी का फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट और हमारा डेसिमल का फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट इसके बारे में हम लोग पढ़ रहे थे एंड आई हैव गिवन यू अ होमवर्क आई गेस इफ एनीबody कैन अनम्यूट themselves and tell me what was that number it was like 25 point if I am correct
8125.
kindly tell me
8125.
8125, right? So 25.8125. So this was the decimal number, and we need to convert it to binary, right? So we were dividing it into two portions. The first one was the integer part, that was 25, right? And the other one was 0.8125, and then we will add them, right? So this was the two numbers that we are expecting to convert into binary, right? So 25, so let us start with this 25. So 25 को हम लोग convert करते हैं double double method से जिसमें we are expected to divide 25 by 2. So 2 divided by 12, 2 multiplied by 12 is 24. The remainder is 1. Again, 2 divided by 2 6 are 12. So we'll have remainder as 0. 2 2 threes are 6. So the remainder is again 0. Then 2. यहाँ पर एक किसी का तो भी गड़बड़ हुआ था ये 0 लिख दिया था डायरेक्ट so 2 ones are 2 remainder is 1 and lastly 2 zeros are 0 and the remainder is 1 so this was the number so we need to write it from the bottom to top like this so I have given that arrow which shows that we are writing from the bottom to top right so the number for 25 I guess it is visible to you all if it is not visible kindly let me know so 25 of decimal can be written as the integer part can be written as 11001 of binary I guess it is visible to you all. So the number is 110011. Sorry, 01. 11001. Is it correct? So there is one more to add. So I guess it is okay for the integer part, right? Is it okay? So हम लोग check भी कर लेते हैं. So this is 1, 2, 4. ये तो है नहीं. ये है sorry 1, 2, 4. This is 8 and this is 16. So 16 plus 8 is 24 plus 1 is 25. ये number ठीक है. Right? How I calculated it? I have just put the values, the weightage of binary values or the decimal values on this. So it is the weight over here is 1, this is 2, this is 4, this is 8, and this is 16. So wherever it is 1, we need to add them. So 16 plus 8, that is 24, and these are zeros, so we'll leave that. And this is 1. So 24 plus 1, that is 25. So I guess the integer part is over. Okay. Now coming to the fractional part of it. So we need to convert 0.8125 into binary. I hope it is visible to you.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
0.8125. Thank you. Multiplied by 2 will give you how much? Can anybody tell? 0.8125 इसको अगर हमने मल्टीप्लाई किया तो क्या आएगा? बता
1.625.
सकता है कोई? 1.625. एक सेकेंड, हाँ, एक सेकेंड होल्ड. Okay, so the result of this is 1.625. 0.8125 multiplied by 2 will give you 0.625. We are not writing 1 over here. We will write this quotient 1 in the other portion. So we are only going to write 0.625 over there, and we will be storing this 1 over there, right? The next number we need to multiply is 0.625 multiplied by 2 will give you how much? It is again 1.25. So I will write only 0.25. The quotient is 1. Is it okay? Is it correct? Hello? Anybody can unmute themselves.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. 0.25 multiplied by 2 will give you 0.5, and the quotient is 0. The other one is 0.5 multiplied by 2 will give you 1, that is 0, 0, and the quotient is 1. Correct? So these are the numbers which we are expecting. It has become 0. Now store the result, and the result is to be stored from top to bottom, right? In integer part, we need to store it from the bottom to top, right? And in this portion, for the fractional part, we are going to store it from top to bottom. So the number, that is 0.125 of decimal, the fractional number, can be written as 0.1101 of binary, and the total number that we are expected to write, that is 25.8125 of decimal, can be written as 1101.1101 of binary. So I guess this is okay for you. 25.8125 equal to of decimal is equal to 11001.1101. So whether it was wrong or correct, that is not an issue. The main part of that, whatever you have done, is you have tried a new thing, right? So that is more than enough for me as a teacher, as your head of department. I request you all to kindly go on doing something, at least try something new, right? Unless and until you try something, you won't get any results over there. Whether it is fail or pass, that is a different issue, right? So that is materialistic. Don't worry about that. Every time you should not be, you are not correct all the time, right? So sometimes there are failures also, but failures are the first step to success. That is a main part of it. So I guess this is done. Yeah, so we are trying to do something new today along with this portion. Just Yeah, so we are going to start with another topic of the number system, that is the addition and subtraction of binary numbers. So binary are the crux of the digital system where we work on ones and zeros, right? One and zero. I will be telling you what it implies by one or what it implies by zero itself. So I'm going to tell you now. But now how this binary system works for addition and subtraction, and why we are using those binary numbers for that. So we have some rules for binary addition and subtraction. So I will be writing those rules for you, and then we'll try for some examples on that. So binary addition and subtraction. So binary numbers का addition करना है and we have to do some subtraction also. But we have some rules for addition and subtraction. So no doubt we are going to try it for say for by using some decimal numbers also. So we should understand whether we are doing it correctly or not, right? So for that we will do that. So first let us try for one bit. Okay, so one bit if you try, then we'll see what happens for the rules of that. So I have only 2 bits to add. What will be the results, right? So let me know if I need to add the first rule of addition. So we'll start with additions as such. So these are the rules for addition of a binary number. So if I say we are going to add 2 bits, so what are the probabilities of having 2 bits, right? The first probability might be we might add 0 plus 0. The output will be 0. Everybody knows this, right? Second is if you need to add 1 plus 0, then we will have 1. Is it okay? Are you getting it? These are simple rules. So whenever we are going to add binary numbers, so we are working on 2 bits only, right? So 1 plus 1, and 1 plus 0. The other one is 0 plus 1 will give you again 1, and the fourth one is 1 plus 1 will give you how much? 1 plus 1 will be 2. So we call it as 1 with 0 with a carry 1, right? So the output of 1 plus 1 will be 2. And if you go through the conversion of this number, so it is the place value of this is 1 and the place value of this is 2, right? So it is 1, 0 and this is 2. So the total value equivalent to decimal is 2 over here, right? So 1 plus 1 in decimal it is 2, and in binary we have to write like this 1 0. Similarly, if you start adding 3 bits, right? So the fifth rule of addition is 1 plus 1 plus 1. What will be the value? So if I need to add, I will just put it in the vertical section. So 1 plus 1 will give you, means I'm adding just 2. So the output will be 0 with a carry 1, right? And if we again add 1 over here, so what would be the value? 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. So the output will be 1, 1. So we'll have the addition of 3 bits that all are 1. So they are overflowing. That is 1, 1. So if you calculate this in again decimal, so the place value of this is 1. The place value of this is 2. So 2 plus 1 is 3, right? Which is in decimal. So if you are adding 3 ones in a decimal, the output is 3. I guess this is understood by you. I'm repeating it for you. We are working on some of the rules of addition in binary numbers. We have started with to add only 2 bits at a time. So we can add the maximum probabilities that we can do is this. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 1, 0. 0 with a carry 1, right? We call it at like this. 0 with a carry 1 like this. So 1 plus 1 is 0 with a carry 1. Okay, so this is for 2 bit when it overflows. And when we add 3 bits at a time, so 1 plus 1 plus 1. So if you are adding 3 bits at a time, then what happens? 1 plus 1 will give you 1 0. And again, if you add 1 over there, then it will be 1 1. So that is actually 3 in decimal, right? So it is equivalent to 3 in decimal. That is what I mean to say. So these are some of the rules for addition. I guess you have understood. If you have not understood, kindly let me know. You can unmute yourself and let me know. Have you understood this? The rules will try to add a number. Yeah, Komal? Anybody can unmute themselves and say, if anybody is having any problem in that, please let me know. Hello, have you got this? The rules? I guess you might write. I also expect from your side that you should write these rules in your notebooks if you have notebooks with you. So 0 plus 0 is 0. Okay, thank you, Mani. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 1, 0. 0 with a carry 1. And lastly, 1 plus 1 will give you 1 with carry 1. Right? So these are the rules, simple rules for addition in binary. Right? Now let us start with the rules of subtraction. Rules of subtraction. So we'll again try to write the same sort of probabilities over there, but this time for subtraction. So for subtraction, again, we might subtract. The first rule can be 0 minus 0 will be, the output will be 0. I hope it is visible to you all. And the other one, this is very tricky. So I guess we might write sometime else, but let us try this. 0 minus 1. What will be the answer? 0 minus 1. Can anybody tell me? Yeah, minus 1. Very nice. This is what we have studied in decimal. Now I write in some other way. Let us try this. So what I am trying to do is I am trying to subtract 1 from 0. So I might write like this. Is it okay? So I am expecting to subtract this 1 from a 0. So what we do while subtracting this, what we do? We take a carry. Yeah, so we take a carry. So I will take a carry over here. Now the number has become 2. Is it okay? This number has become 2 with a carry 1. So I will write here. ये carry लिया हुआ है हमने. बराबर है? So this is a carry. अब ये नंबर क्या बन गया? 2 of binary. 10 मतलब 2 of binary, 2 in decimal, and this stands for 10 stands for 2. अभी हम लोगों ने लिखा था ना ये 1 plus 1 is 2, right? So 10 is a 2 number. तो अभी ये क्या हुआ? 10 है ना in binary. But for decimal it is 2. So 10 में से 1 माइनस कर सकते हैं, 2 में से 1 माइनस कर सकते हैं. The result will be 1. तो हम इसको लिखते वक्त क्या लिखेंगे? 0 minus 1 will give you 1 with a borrow 1. क्या लिखते हैं हम लोग? डिफरेंस. इसका डिफरेंस कितना आएगा? ये रब करूं क्या मैं इसको? तो मैं यहां लिख लेता हूं. सो इसका क्या लिखेंगे हम लोग? डिफरेंस क्या आएगा? माइनस करने का नेगेशन क्या आएगा? डिफरेंस विल बी 1, राइट? एंड विथ अ बोरो, with borrow 1, right? So 0 minus 1, it is little bit tricky. Remember this. 0 minus 1 is equal to difference 1 with borrow 1. हमने डेसिमल में अभी तक के यही पढ़ा है. 0 minus 1 is -1. That's all. है ना? हमको ये पता है. पर अब इसमें थोड़ा सा रूल चेंज है. रूल चेंज नहीं है, एक्चुअली हमने ये कभी किया नहीं है, इसलिए बता रहा हूँ. एक नए तरीके से हम लोग पढ़ रहे हैं. ये सब हम लोगों ने मेरे ख्याल से 4th 5th क्लास में पढ़ा है, थर्ड क्लास में पढ़ा है. वेयर वी आर गोइंग टू सब्ट्रैक्ट दोस थिंग्स. दैट इज इनफ. सो दिस इज देयर. 0 minus 1 is -1. Sorry, 1 with a borrow 1, right? So this is that. The other is, the third rule is 1 minus 0. So 1 minus 0 is 1. Fourth is 1 minus 1 is again 0. Is it okay? So these are some of the rules for subtraction. Is it okay? Have you understood this, what I have told you? This is for subtraction. There are 4 rules for subtraction. The first one is 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 1 is difference 1 with borrow 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Is it okay? Similarly, here for addition, we can write like the same. So 0 plus 0 is 0. We can write in the same fashion as we have written in the subtraction part. So we can use this as 0 plus 1. So I'm writing this as 0 plus 1 is 1. And then we'll write 1 plus 0 is again 1. 1 plus 1 is 1, 0. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 1, 1. This is for addition and this is for subtraction. So subtraction is 0 minus 0 is 0. I will follow the same steps or same probabilities over there in both the parts so that we might understand this. So this is for, okay, just hold for a second. Yeah. So 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 1 is difference 1 with a borrow 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Right? So this is for addition and this is for subtraction. So I guess these rules are okay for you people. You should mug up these rules so that we can try some equations over there. So we'll start with some of the equations that we need to understand. Let us start with a simple program of simple problems like of decimal, and then we'll convert it into binary, and then we'll do that. So yeah, so let us start with a simple program. Just for example, we'll do that. So let us start to add a decimal number. Now I'm writing it in decimal, right? So that we should understand what will be the output. So 12 plus 14 is the simplest number that we need to ask, we need to add, right? In decimal. Then we'll convert this into binary and then we'll add, right? So 12 plus 14 क्या आंसर आएगा, कोई बता सकता है? बताइए 12 plus 14 क्या होगा?
26.
26. गुड, वाह वाह, 1 करोड़ रुपए जीत गए आप. Very good. So 26 is the answer. This is the simplest problem that we can do. Can somebody tell me what is the equivalent value, binary value of 12? कोई बता सकता है? बताइए. Equivalent value of 12 in binary. हमने लिखा है वो टेबल पे जिसमें हमने चारों लिखे हुए.
1100.
या 1100. परफेक्ट, गुड, वेरी गुड. तो ये हमको टेबल भी देखते आना चाहिए. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ 14?
1110.
Is it okay? 1110, right? So can we add this now? So now this is for binary and this is for the decimal. So decimal का आंसर हमारा 26 आया है. तो अब हमको इसको ऐड करके ये चेक करना है कि इसका भी आंसर 26 आता है या नहीं, राइट? सो हम लोग पहले बाइनरी में एडिशन करते हैं और उसके बाद उसको कन्वर्ट करके देखेंगे वेदर इट इज 26 और नॉट, राइट? सो शैल वी स्टार्ट एडिंग दिस? कोई बता सकता है क्या होगा? 0 plus 0 will be एडिशन का रूल. 0 plus 0 is 0. Good.
0.
0 plus 1 is
1.
0 plus 1 is 1. Very good. 1 plus 1 is 1 plus 1 is 0 with a carry 1. हाँ 1 0, राइट? तो हम लोग वो 0 यहाँ लिखते हैं और कैरी ऊपर लिखते हैं, बराबर है? डेसिमल में भी हम लोग यही रूल फॉलो करते हैं. हमने क्या किया? 1 plus 1 is 0 with a carry 1. यानी था आंसर 1 0, ये था 1 और 0, तो 0 मैं यहाँ लिख रहा हूँ और 1 कैरी कर रहा हूँ. इज इट ओके? ठीक है क्या मनीष?
Yes. Yes.
हाँ, गुड. हाँ, so we are writing the first digit over there and the second, which is supposed to be the carry, we are going to add to the next bit. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 कितना होता है? 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 1 1. तो ये 1 आ गया और ये 1, क्योंकि अभी हाँ, तो क्योंकि अभी तीसरा पांचवा बिट नहीं है इसलिए हम लोगों ने 1 डायरेक्टली लिखा. अगर होता तो हम क्या करते, उसको भी यहाँ कैरी में ऐड करते, 1 विद द कैरी 1 होता. ठीक है? सो द नंबर अपीयर्स टू बी 11010, राइट? अब ये 26 है या नहीं है ये चेक करना. तो 26 है या नहीं है ये चेक करने के लिए हमको उसके क्या करना पड़ेगा? प्लेस वैल्यूज डालनी पड़ेगी. तो प्लेस वैल्यूज डाल कर देखते, जस्ट 2 मिनट बाकी है हमारे. सो ये है 1, ये है 2, ये है 4, ये है 8 और ये है 16. दीज आर द प्लेस वैल्यूज. 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. जहाँ 0 है वो छोड़ देना है, जहाँ 1 1 है उनको ऐड करना। तो 16 + 8 इज 16 + 8 इज कितना होता है? 16 + 8 24,
24.
राइट? 24
Yes, sir.
+ 2, ये तो 0 0 है, 4 + 1 0 ही।
26.
तो ये पूरा नंबर कितना हो? 26. Yes, so the whatever we have added is correct, I guess. So you have understood how we are adding this. कोई प्रॉब्लम है इसमें? पक्का हो जाएगा ये? हेलो, एक छोटा सा हम लोग प्रॉब्लम ले लेते हैं। थैंक यू मनीष, वेरी गुड। एक फास्ट क्लिप छोटा वाला प्रोग्राम लेते हैं, प्रॉब्लम लेते हैं 13 - 10. 13 - 10. I guess it is visible to you all. We have to subtract 10 from 13. Decimal number हम लोग ले रहे हैं. The result should be 3. So 03 is the answer. Now let me know what is the equivalent of 13 in binary. So can I write like this? 1101. This is 13. And what is 10? That is 1010. And we have to subtract this binary number. Is it okay? बराबर है? राइट?
Sir,
तो मेरे
yes,
ख्याल से
sir.
अभी यहाँ पे सब सही है?
में
ठीक है, ये
1011 है।
किसका?
1011 13
किसका? 1011 नहीं
Yes,
बेटा,
sir.
1011 13 नहीं होगा। यहाँ पे देखो, अगर मैंने 1011 रखा तो 8 और 2 10 और ये 11 ही होता है। यहाँ वैल्यू रखो ना 8421 की, 8421। तो 8 + 4 12 और ये 1 13, 1101। ठीक है, अपन कर लेंगे चेक। लास्ट 2 मिनट्स बाकी, हम लोग सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लेते पहले। ठीक है, उसका एक प्रोसीजर है, वो मैं आपको याद करा दूंगा, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, हम लोग उसको चेक कर सकते हैं। सो इट इज 1101 एंड 10 इज 1010। बराबर है? अब इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है। व्हाट आर द रूल्स? 1 - 0 इज 1। परफेक्ट, ठीक है, क्लियर? 1 - 0 इज 1, 0 - 1 है अभी, तो क्या करेंगे? 0 से 1 जाता नहीं है, तो हम ये यहाँ का बोरो इधर लेंगे। सो इट हैज बिकम 2 एंड दिस हैज बिकम 0। ये बराबर है, ये 0 हो गया,
Yes,
ये
sir.
बोरो इधर आ गया, तो ये हो गया। ये पूरा नंबर क्या हुआ? 2, 10 इज 2, 10 - 1 इज 1।
1.
बराबर है? 2 - 1 इज 1। ये 0 हो गया है, तो 0 - 0 इज 0 and 1 - 1 is 0. So the output is 1 1. क्या है रिजल्ट? 1 1
1
1 1 बोला तो this is 2 और 1 कितना हो गया? 3। बराबर है? This is 1 and
Yes,
this is
sir.
2. 2 + 1 is 3. I guess it is understood to you. And and for today's class it's over. We will try some other problems in the next class. The time is running for that, so we will stop here for today. You just go through this example and try to add or subtract some other numbers. You take it take very easy numbers for that, and then we'll try it in the next class, hopefully on the Monday. So wish you a very happy weekend today, and enjoy yourselves. Be safe, stay home, and take care of yourself. We'll be meeting soon in the next class. But go through my YouTube channel and watch videos. If you don't understand anything, put comments on the chat box. So thank you very much for joining, and stay blessed. Enjoy the day. Oh, sorry, full day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Is that here? Yeah. So I will end the meeting for you. Bye. See you.